we got some goodies. So two different styles of coilovers. First style we got is from Five8 Industries. This is their Street Series coilover. Fantastic mid-range coilover. Comes with all the goodies if your application is there for it. But the great thing about these coilovers is lifetime labor setups on these coilovers. So, God forbid anything may have happened with the coilover, send it out to Five8 Industries out in California. They take care of the coilover for you. If anything happens, they got you covered. You just have to pay for the part, but the labor to take care of the coilover is set up for you guys. So, just a brief description of these two coilovers. We have the Street Series from Five8 Industries. They also make their more higher end brand, which is Riaction coilovers. Now, big difference between the two is Riaction comes with a 32-way adjustable dampening, where your Five8 has the nice monotube dampening, which they both come with. But, like I said before, Riaction comes with that 32-way adjustable. Fantastic. Comes with your little dampeners. Easy install, of course. 32-way left and right. They screw into the top of the setup. Don't have to worry about losing them. It's not anything that you're sticking in and you're pulling out. They sit right on top. Fantastic. No rattling, which sometimes you get when you have different style of coilovers and they're just on there for there. The cool thing about the Riaction, fully rebuildable, top to bottom. This is super, super important when, out on the track, maybe you're doing something, strut goes bad, spring goes bad, housing goes bad, something. Riaction at Five8 Industries will take care of you guys. Part has to be paid for, but the labor, remember the labor is lifetime warranty on these, which is fantastic. Solid built coilovers for both the mid-range Five8 Industry ones and the Riaction coilover. I cannot speak highly enough on how great these are built. We here at Speedzone, we've done a lot of coilovers. If you know us, you know we've gone through BCs, we've gone through D2s, we've gone through TNs, KW variants, multiple style of coilovers. These I am very happily surprised on how well that they are built. One of the ones we actually have, we do have some Riactions going on one of our R33 Skyline GTSTs at the moment right now. So you guys will see that in just a few. Let you see what's going on that car with these coilovers, and that way you can see how things get set up. The ride on these are very comfortable. Now, of course, with the mid-range coilover for Five8, you're gonna get that nice little street comfort ride. With the Riaction, the reason why they might call these Riactions is because these things react. Super smooth, super responsive, solid coilover for street or race. Anytime you want to get on the track or just a leisurely drive, fantastic coilover for that. The one other thing that I want to mention on the Riaction specifically is billet piston setup on this coilover, and if your application has it, aluminum camber plates on their setups, which is fantastic. Highly anticipated, waiting to get these coilovers. We've been, trying to find them for a while. Couldn't wait to get them. They are big on the West Coast, and we want to make sure they get that good representation over here on the East Coast, out in Florida. So, if you guys have any questions on Five8 Industries Street Series setup or their Riaction coilovers, hit us up at Speedzone, any of our social media platforms, or speedzone-web.com, or give us a shout at any location, either our Orlando or Kissimmee location. You guys have a wonderful day. We'll talk to you all soon.